G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the team here at Raw Blend. I hope you're having a wonderful holidays. If you happen to overindulge on Christmas Day or you have way too much to drink and you're not feeling great, then this is the perfect juice to make you feel better and give you more energy. This is my new Christmas Hangover Juice. I hope you enjoy it. So today I'm using the Greenstar Pro Juicer by TriBest. This is my favorite juicer. It's going to get a really high yield and a really nutrient dense juice. That's why I love using it. I'm just going to show you how to disassemble and assemble the juicer quickly. I'm just going to take this apart. I want to show you the twin gears. So these are the twin gears that are going to be doing all the work. It's a 3-stage masticating juicer. These weigh a ton, they're really heavy. And that's what's going to crush and press all the juice, every little drop out of the produce I put in. I want to make sure they're aligned. I can see the dots there. Make sure that one dot is in between the other 2 dots. That's really important. I'm just going to install the gears. Just give them a little twist like so. Put in my twin gear housing. I'm going to be using the fine juicing screen. This juicer also comes with a coarse juicing screen. Got my outlet casing. I just clip that into place like so. Just going to put on my safety hood and then we're ready to juice. So for my Christmas Hangover Juice, I'm going to be using some really hydrating and nutritious produce. Firstly, I have some beautiful fresh watermelon, yum, yum, yum. And then I've got this lovely plate of goodness. I've got some cucumber, some beetroot, some detoxing ginger and lime, and some celery, really good for your gut health. So this watermelon, it's super easy to push down into the gears. Celery, you're going to need a little bit more strength. We definitely don't recommend the Greenstar Juicer for anyone with arthritis in their hands or weakness in the hands, because they do require some downward force. Some beetroot, so good for you. So physically pushing that into the gears. When I juice, I like to alternate my produce. So I'll put one piece of watermelon, then I'll put some celery, then a little bit of beetroot. It works better for the juicer if you're alternating the ingredients. Look at that. 1 liter of beautiful fresh juice, cold pressed, absolutely delicious. So look at the waste here. There's hardly any waste. If I squeeze this, I don't get 1 drop of juice out of it. That's the beauty about the Greenstar. You're going to get every little bit of nutrition out of there. Look at that beautiful, deep, rich color, the watermelon and the beetroot. Cheers. So good. It's going to make you feel so much better after your indulgent Christmas day. I hope you enjoy. I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas.